Welcome to Mechanical Special. In this video, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a faulty fuel injector. The fuel injector is a critical component of a modern automobile, responsible for atomizing and injecting fuel into the combustion chamber. The fuel injector plays a key role in optimizing the air-fuel mixture for combustion, contributing to the overall performance, efficiency, and emissions of the engine. Symptoms of a bad fuel injector. 1. Misfires. A fuel injector delivers a precise amount of fuel to the combustion chamber. If a fuel injector is faulty, it may not spray fuel evenly or in the correct pattern, leading to incomplete combustion and misfires. Misfires result in a rough-running engine and can contribute to poor performance. 2. Lack of power. Inadequate fuel delivery due to a faulty fuel injector can lead to a decrease in engine power. This is particularly noticeable during acceleration, where the engine may struggle to generate the necessary power for smooth and efficient operation. 3. Decreased mileage. Fuel injectors play a crucial role in providing the engine with the right amount of fuel for optimal combustion. A faulty injector can disrupt this balance, causing the engine to run inefficiently. As a result, fuel efficiency decreases, and the vehicle covers fewer miles per gallon of fuel. 4. Engine stalling. If your fuel injector is not delivering the correct amount of fuel during idle, it can lead to an unstable idle, or engine stalling. This occurs because the engine is not receiving the necessary fuel to maintain a consistent and smooth idle. 5. Shaky or vibrating idle. Proper fuel delivery is crucial for a smooth idle. A bad fuel injector can cause fuel to be unevenly distributed among the cylinders, leading to a rough idle characterized by vibrations and shakes. 6. Rich exhaust smell. A leaking fuel injector can result in excess fuel entering the combustion chamber. This leads to a rich air-fuel mixture, causing a strong fuel odor in the exhaust. The unburned fuel can also contribute to black smoke emission. 7. Check engine light. When a fuel injector malfunctions, the engine control unit may detect the issue and trigger the check engine light. Diagnostic trouble codes related to fuel injectors, such as P0201 to P0208, are commonly associated with injector problems. 8. Black smoke. An inefficient fuel injector can lead to incomplete combustion, producing black smoke in the exhaust. This smoke is a result of unburned fuel particles being expelled from the tailpipe. 9. Failed emissions test. Increased emissions, particularly high levels of hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, can occur when fuel injectors are not working properly. This can lead to a failed emissions test, as the vehicle exceeds allowable pollutant levels. 10. Engine knocking. A faulty fuel injector can disrupt the proper air-fuel mixture, leading to abnormal combustion. This can result in engine knocking or pinging noises, indicating that the fuel is not burning as it should. 11. Hard starting. Fuel injectors contribute to the air-fuel mixture necessary for ignition. If a fuel injector is faulty, it can lead to difficulties in starting the engine, requiring more extended cranking times or multiple attempts to start the vehicle.